The third reason is need for predictability and control. Diapers bring in control. Diapers are predictable environment. They have been in diapers since they were very young. जब बच्चे बहुत छोटे से, जब से उनकी understanding develop हुई है, they have been in diapers. So suddenly asking them to remove a diaper and go into the washroom requires a change and unpredictable environment. So therefore they will prefer to be in the diaper. Second, diaper also gives them a sense of control. What does that mean? कि I can go to the washroom when I want to go. When अगर मुझे टॉयलेट जाना है, बाथरूम जाना है, तो उसके लिए either I have to be dependent on other people, I have to make sure the bathroom is empty, and then I have to go, I need to figure out bathroom है कहाँ पर. So there are a lot of things that suddenly become not in the predictable routine. So therefore control is more in diapers and the control is less when it is we have to go to the washroom. Private in the sense that मैं कर्टन के पीछे छुपकर भी पॉटी कर सकता हूँ. Nobody else needs to see me, right? मैं किसी घर के कोने में लाइट्स ऑफ करके वॉशरूम कर सकता हूँ. Nobody is going to see me. I can continue what I am doing. Sometimes हमारे बच्चे they are involved in a fun activity. They are involved in an activity that they are enjoying, and even if they don't want to stop to go to the washroom. So therefore they can continue to do the same activity if they are in a diaper. So therefore it becomes a matter of control and predictability for our children. So जब हमें टॉयलेट जाना है तो मुझे ये जो मैं खेल रहा हूँ मुझे रोकना पड़ेगा. मुझे वो एनवायरनमेंट जो टॉयलेट का है विद डिफरेंट सेंसरी इनपुट, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज एंड आई हैव टू हैव समबडी विद मी एट दैट टाइम. आई मे फील वेरी स्केयर्ड लुकिंग एट द टॉयलेट पॉट कि ये फ्लश होता है तो ये पानी कहाँ चला जाता है. Yeah, it is sensory so much fun that I don't want to sit but I want to keep flushing and seeing कि पानी कहाँ जा रहा है. So it can be any of these things as well, जिसकी वजह से हमारे बच्चे जो हैं वो टॉयलेट जाने से घबरा रहे हैं या वो जाना enjoy नहीं कर रहे हैं and they prefer diaper over toilet.